Alright, so today, boys and girls, we are going to practice with the operation of addition. So previously we were introduced to addition. Today we are going to practice a strategy that can help us find a missing number in an addition problem. So first, let's review some similar addition terms to get us more familiar. So an addition term, we can write them at the top, could be more than, plus, and also add. So when you see any of these definitions in a word problem, in a math word problem, it is going to signify that you need to do the operation of addition. So can we think, so previously we were introduced to addition, and today we are going to practice a strategy that can help us find a missing number in an addition problem, like I said before. So we are finding the missing number in an addition problem. So we already reviewed over our terms, and then can we just think of some examples of real life situations that could require us to find a missing number? So there are several situations in real life that could make us have to find a missing number. So many times real life situations we have to use addition when we are buying things, when we are trying to add a certain number of objects that we have, when we're trying to find the total of something, of two things, we are using the operation of addition. So for example, a specific addition example where we are trying to find the number that goes in the equation. So for example, in this addition problem, we write 5 plus 1 equals 6. So we have both of what we are adding and then what it equals. When we find the missing number, it would be an example of 5 plus, and then we don't know what the other number we're adding equals 6. So we would be trying to find this number that's right here. So a way that we can do this using manipulatives, so right here I have my yellow counter pieces, and then I have my counter box. So this counter box has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pieces total. So 2 rows of 5 in each. So the way that we're going to use these counter pieces, we're going to use it with this real life situation. So let's listen. For an example, if you were saving up for a race car that you really wanted from the grocery store, the toy store, or wherever, and you only had $8, but the race car cost 10. So in this, we are looking at 8 plus the number equals 10. So this is the total number of the race car, and this is how much you have. So we're trying to find this number right here that is going to show us how much you need to be able to get the race car. So in this case, you would obviously need to find what you need, how many dollars you need in order to get 10. So this manipulative, these manipulatives and this counter box can show us exactly how many that we need. So for example, we said that we had 8. So I'm going to move 8 counter pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have moved 8 counter pieces into our box. So now that we have this represents our $8, we can clearly see that we have 2 boxes that are open. So out of 10 boxes, and after our 8 are filled in with our counter pieces, we can see that we have 2 open. So the number of open boxes lets us know that for the equation of I have 8, how many more to 10, it would be 8 plus 2 equals 10. So to answer this question of I have 8, how many more to 10, the answer would be 2, because there are 2 counter boxes that are open.